Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Let's go into this experiment. What happens if you stick a ring magnet in a microwave? So this is what my experiment resulted. It is blown away, blown apart, and pieces were all stuck to the metal in there. I don't see any more. So we're going to check the polarity. That's north. That's south. So south up, stick it in the middle. And just for goodies, we're going to put some materials on it. We're going to put a little mica. We'll stick a little piece of mica on there. This is plastic and wood chips. We'll put a little bit pile right there, see if anything levitates or goes up. And then we're going to put a little piece of plastic. This stuff likes to lie around when you have high static. All right, let's give it a whirl. What do you think it's going to do, guys? Leave your comments. Ring magnet. That's what just happened to that one. And the ring didn't move. The pieces blew off the ring. You ready? In there for 1 minute. Hit that cancel button as soon as I see something crazy. The magnet in there. Well, you can say that the stuff I put on there is all gone. Who knows why it's gone? Magnet's way hot. So doing it a second time, I don't get the same result. But it is real brittle, like it just broke apart there. All right, guys, leave your comments.